Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with the before and after tune-up report for Jason and Callie on his Galaxy DX98 VHP. Jason, I wanted to show you right here what we got. Gonna start with R power all the way down. Pretty hot little radio on average or on peak power. Here's your 100-watt slug. It's keying about 8 watts all the way down. Hello, 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 hello. Swinging about 22. Pretty trashy right here on the spectrum analyzer. Hello. Pretty rough there on the oscilloscope. Hello, 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 hello. It shows the hair over 300, so pretty hot radio on the peak power. Roll it all the way up. I'm not going to do this very long as this is dangerous. 100 watts all the way up, which is twice as high as it should ever did key. Swinging backwards to 70. So let me get to working on this and we'll be back.
Get wise and get truckerized today.
Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for Jason in California on the Galaxy DX98 VHP. Jason, got you ready to go, bud? Our tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade. It was swinging backwards on bird average power. We've taken care of that. It was showing pretty good wattage, but the gate voltages was at 4.5. We reset those back down to 3.75, keeps the heat down, and, well, quite frankly, going to prevent you from blowing the finals. Okay, let's start with RF power all the way down. 100-watt slug. Got set at 5 watts, that way if you decide to run an amp, you got full adjustability. Roll it all the way up. 50 watts all the way up. Show you average power swing. Of course, that's in the corner. 500-watt scale in average. Hello, hello, hello. 150 bird average. Peak power. Hello. 300 watts on the money. All right, Jason, it's ready to come to you, bud. I hope you enjoy it from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.
Get your truckerized tune today. Truckerize.